15 years in Saudi Arabia working as producer director, we decided after COVID, it was a really hard time at that time, we decided to have a break or start like a retirement. And we moved to Portugal, to Troya, which is beautiful. It will be another episode about Troya. And after that, it was really a bit boring because it's a nice resort, but in the winter there's no one. So we decided to have like a real adventure. And I was seeing on YouTube a lot of people renovating things and all, etc. So I started searching for a ruin. And after a long search, we found this old school. It was a ruin, and we decided to buy it. Welcome to my channel. This is my first episode, and this is my first time in front of the camera. Usually my work as producer director, always behind the scenes, behind the cameras. But this time I decided to create this channel and share my experience in life and my experience in Portugal and in Saudi Arabia. Hope you will like it. So, as I mentioned, we used to live in Troya. Troya, it's a beautiful area. It's like heaven. You have the water. It's from the right and left, and it's very calm and amazing place. But we missed like some action. After a few months in Portugal, we decided like let's have some action. Let's buy a ruin and start renovating and do these things, and maybe use it Airbnb or like kind of investment. The problem, I know nothing about renovations. I know nothing about building or hard work as a builder. But okay, we tried. We called a lot of people. I checked a lot of agencies. We lived in Alentejo area, which is there is a lot of ruins there. That's beautiful. But we were searching for something that it's also suitable for our budget. And I really don't know anyone in Portugal who do these things. I don't know where to buy the materials. I don't know the language even. So it was a big challenge, but I like challenges. And we went, we saw the school after meeting with the agent, and we decided to buy it.
So this is the main entrance of the school, and we have this Escola Primaria. Look at that, it's so beautiful. And
Yes, it is.
what do you call this?
We will, I think this is the logo of the area. I don't know, the slogan. We have birds living here. Wow, what's happening there? Go out. Well, as you can see, the school was in very bad shape. Everything is falling apart. The trees, like going inside, the roots are going inside the building. The roof was down, nothing there. Electricity, it was like really in a very bad shape. And we start like planning what to do here, what to do that. There's toilets outside. So, Judy, what we gonna do in this area?
So we have our toilets here. These toilets are used from before. The kids are using these toilets. And we will break these toilets to be open from this side throughout the other side. Same as the other arc here.
And we're gonna build another toilets.
And we will build toilets inside.
Because
With
we
the
don't have
kitchen.
toilets inside.
Yeah, we don't have toilets.
Yes,
And
and kitchen.
Kitchen.
And rooms.
And rooms.
As you can see, it's a lot of bushes. These are the septic tanks, and it was from It was very old. I don't know if we can use it again. Also, we need an expert to come and check, or we need to build, because there's no sewage around this area. First things that we need to do is to clear the land, to see where is that, what's in the school, what's around it. And as you can see in the pictures, it's like a rural area. There's nothing around you. There's no electricity. There's no sewage system.
So we have a big pine tree here, and unfortunately we need to break this pine tree because as you can see, it's ruining the chimney. It's breaking all the tiles up. It's not good for the house. Also, the roots are going into the pipes, which is not good when it's next to the house. So we have another 2 big trees in here, pine trees. This tree and that tree, we will keep it. We will cut it in a nice shade and maintain it. We need to keep it. It's beautiful. And here you can see the main gate of the school. It's at the back side of the road. So this wall, we're gonna break it from this arc to this arc. Same on the other side. So we have 3. 1, 2, 3. We will put a glass and a glass window on it so we can see from inside out.
And we can have more lights.
And we can have more. That's why we can have more lights.
Our house in Troya was so far from the school, maybe we need driving like 1 hour. So we decided to move to an area next to the school. It's called Alcácer do Sal. It's a very nice, beautiful area. And we moved from the big house to a caravan. Also, this is another story. We'll have another episode for it. But we moved into the caravan. And we start going there every day, trying to find workers, trying to find people who cut the trees. So we start driving in the area, and we saw some people coming, cutting trees, and we start talking to them, like using Google Translate. At that time, we really didn't know what we are doing, and we didn't know that if we did a big mistake buying and going into something like that. If you really like to see how the school became from this shape to this shape, I hope you can stay with us and bear with us in the next episodes to see the progress, and hope you will like it. See you soon.